Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your BRINKS or your EZSET Keypad door lock in 2026. Now, before touching anything, you need to make sure that your door is opened, and you need to also make sure that the deadbolt is unlocked. After doing so, you need to simply remove the batteries, and when you remove the batteries, you are going to see this type of tiny reset button, R button, or the program button inside it. So most of the Brinks or the EZSET locks place this button near the battery pack. So you need to simply press and hold this particular reset button for at least 5 to 10 seconds, or you can also keep holding it until you hear 3 long beeps. That sound means the lock erased user codes, the programming settings, and the custom configurations completely from the memory, which means that you have successfully reset your lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.